Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark switch wire harness in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the control panel's lower cover. Remove the cover. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Next, unthread the 2 screws securing the control panel to the frame. Detach the control panel and support it to avoid straining the wires. Slide all 5 gaskets off of the burner valve stems. Pull the spark switches free of the valves. Cut the zip ties securing the wires to the manifold. Disconnect the wire harness connector to fully remove the old component. Install the new spark switch wire harness by snapping each spark switch onto its respective burner valve. With the switches in place, connect the wire harness connector. Use new zip ties to secure the wires to the manifold. Replace the gaskets on the valve stems. Realign the control panel on the front brackets. Secure it with the screws. Replace the lower cover. Then thread the screws to secure. Realign the control knobs on the valve stems and push them into place. Note that the power burner control knob should be placed on the second stem from the left. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.